Have you ever had issues with your coffee machine? Like just pumping the water and nothing happening? And if you see this tray below, it's filled with water and the water starts to come. And in the end it will throw an error message over here. Exactly this one. From the symptoms what I have seen, that the water is pushed, the grinder is not starting. I suspect this is a water flow sensor issue, and let's trace that down today. Just to recap, you have the 3 LEDs blinking, and this is filled with water and nothing else is happening. The grinder is not starting. So let's disassemble it. To disassemble, in the back of the coffee machine, and by the way, it's a good idea to unplug because it is under current. Once you unplugged, in the end of it, you have these 2 screws and you have to remove. To remove the back, you have to use a Torx 10, a T10 screwdriver. And you can reach these 2 bolts from here and just remove that 2 screws. Screw number 1, put them somewhere safe. Screw number 2, and as you have seen, I just simply lifted and this cover comes down. So this is your side of the water tank. That's where the water somehow it gets pushed towards, and here is some sensor which is connected to that flow meter. And I really suspect the problem is coming from this flow meter, and we can even measure it. So if we check, this flow sensor should send a signal of 5 volts. And if we check another cable, then we should see at least something is changing, is going on with the signal. And the signal seems to be stuck on those 3 pins. So I suspect this flow meter is the bad one and replace it. So we will remove this cable which is connecting. And if you are not able with the hand, then use a flattened screwdriver. Then you have a pin in the back of it, but you can push it. And on the bottom of the sensor, there is a white pinhole, which is the actual sensor above. So basically this pinhole is for the sensor, and we will try to push it out. You have to force it if it's not coming out. Okay, so this is outside, almost. And basically, this is nothing else, just 2 magnets, and there is a Hall sensor which is sending the pins. There isn't heavy oxidation, but I don't believe that is causing the issue. So this had a rubber ring to seal the water, and I have another one, a used part, just to check it. This is my part number, and probably we have to replace this one. So this is the broken one what we have unmounted from there, and I have broken a leg. I don't know if you see that. And this is also a used one. They're technically the same component. Let's see. The codes are the same, the year is the different. So this should be working because this is from a working machine. So I won't put it in place. This is just for test purposes. I will plug it in and check if the machine will work and if it's really a problem with the flow sensor. So I will leave the flow sensor for test purposes outside, and if it's that one, then I will order a brand new one. So now let's give a start. And seems like the machine is testing, and it is not pumping a hot lot of waters. So I'm pretty sure this sensor was the problem. So this is again in self-testing mode with his original one. And I'm 100% sure, yes, and here it is. So like we have this exact same error message. So I have to purchase this piece of flow sensor, and that will fix it. And maybe right now I will install this one, that I would be able to use the coffee machine. Thank you for watching. If you think this video would fix it, then hit the like and subscribe to my channel.